Hello everyone, welcome to SS Tutorials. In this video, I will show you very basic feature in SolidWorks which is called Extrude Boss Base feature, and we will access all the options available inside the Extrude feature. So watch the full video for complete information. Let's start. First of all, select a plane. I am selecting front plane here. Make it normal to. Go to Sketch. Take a center rectangle from here. Left click on origin point and just click outside. Go to smart dimension. Let this side be 200 mm and this side be 100 mm. Click OK. Go to features. There is a feature available here, extrude boss base feature. Just click on it. You can see the sketch is extruding in the upward direction, and by default the 10 mm thickness is available here. You can increase or decrease this thickness like this, or you can put manually the value, let it be 30 mm. This is how the extrude boss feature works. If you want to add some draft to it, just left click on draft. Now the draft option is available. So if you want to increase the angle, so you can put manually some value here, let it be 25 degree. Now it is drafted, but it is drafted inside. This is inward draft. If you want to make outward draft, then just click on draft outward like this. Click OK. So this is how it works. Some more options are available inside the extrude boss feature. For this, I want to go back. So just right click on extrude boss in design tree. Go to edit feature. There is an option available here, direction 2. Just click on it. Okay. Now you can see the sketch is extruding in downward direction also. Thickness is 30 mm. You can change it, let it be 20 mm, and you can also add some angle, draft angle here, let it be 15 degree, and make it draft outward. Click OK. So this is extrude boss feature. I want to show you one more thing here. For this, I have to delete this. So just right click on extrude boss, delete. Yes, the sketch is remaining. Right click on sketch in design tree, click on edit sketch, go to features, click on extrude boss base. There is one more option available here, thin feature. Click on it. You can see in preview there is a thin walled body is prepared now. The thickness is 10 mm. You can change the thickness by putting some value. There are 3 options available here, one direction, mid plane and 2 direction. First of all, one direction. The body is extruding in the direction outside of the sketch. When you click on mid plane, the body is extruding in both sides of sketch, 5 mm inside and 5 mm outside, total 10 mm. When you click on 2 direction, the SolidWorks asks us for 2 thicknesses. One is inside thickness and another is outside thickness. Let one thickness be 5 mm. Now the inside thickness is 5 mm and outside thickness is 10 mm. If you want to cover the upper surface of this box, just click on cap end. Now the upper surface is covered. Give some dimension to it. Let the thickness be 5 mm. OK. Click on OK. Now this is a hollow body. You can check it by clicking on sectional view. Take top plane, click OK. So you can see this is a hollow body. So this is the video having the complete information about the extrude boss features. So if you like this video, kindly press like and share button. Also subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button for more updates. Thanks for watching.